In this video, we take a look at how a delivery can be created with an EWM managed storage location on the ERP side. To post a delivery in EWM, a delivery order is first required on the ERP side, which is then transmitted to the EWM system. This process differs only slightly from a standard delivery, which is ultimately posted via Migo. Therefore, we will focus on the specific differences in detail. Open the transaction VA01 and create a sales order. Fill in the fields, customer, and goods recipient. Then press the Enter key. Enter the material for which the order is to be created in the material field. Specify the order quantity. Now open the incompletion log to check if any additional details are missing. Press the Ctrl and F8 key. Press Save. Open the transaction VL01N to create a delivery with reference to the order. Since the order was just created, the required fields should already be filled in. If this is not the case, the fields shipping point, selection date, and order must be completed. Then press Next. Here's a special note. In the Storage Location tab, you must select a storage location managed by EWM. Ideally, the material is already stored in the selected location. Press Save. A message will now appear in the bottom left corner of the screen, confirming that the delivery has been saved and distributed to the WMS. From this point onwards, the delivery is available in the EWM system.
We hope the video helped you. In case you got any additional questions or comments, please leave a message below. See you next time, your advist-Academy.